OCO everyone, it's Philip encroaching with iamCREATURescience at iamCREATURescience.com. iamCREATURescience is now partnered with Chef Khai, cuisine extraordinaire of KT Foodies, to be the expert and guide you in the kitchen with meal preparation throughout your respective health journeys. Never let the unknown or lack of competency hinder you from healing your best self and discovering the innate creature in you again.
What's up everybody, it's Chef Khai, and today I'm going to show you how to cut and cook bell peppers. First thing first, grab our bell peppers. You might as well go ahead and start a nice rinse. Again, cool water. Just don't use hot water, that's the key. And you want to go ahead and rub the indents of the bell pepper. I think that's where things probably get a little stuck. When they make that little noise, you're doing something right. Finding out bell peppers if it's no good or not is pretty simple. You can tell by the coloration of them, the firmness. It's going to be pretty firm, and you can feel like a mushy texture if it's not, if it's overdone, like it's too cold. You definitely acknowledge what's a good bell pepper and what's not. And of course, my bell peppers are great. So come over here to the cutting board. Go ahead and get my towel. Okay. Now how I cut bell peppers. I like to place the bottom onto my board, and I like to cut from the sides. I like to cut around the seed, therefore I don't have much whiteness, and see? Got it perfect. Put that to my side, and I'm just going to cut the rest of my bell peppers. Again. When you're cutting it, you can definitely start to, especially after your first cut, you can see exactly where the white starts, and go ahead and control your knife in those directions. Now how I cut slice, next time I'm going to do a slice. Slice to your thickness, but make sure you have a consistent slice so the bell peppers are cooked evenly. Now if you want to dice your bell peppers, another way you can do is opposite side, make your strips, but keep your hands nice and firm onto each side of your bell pepper while you make the sides into the end. It's okay if it gets out of control. You can set it back up, turn it this way, and then just go horizontal. And that's how you make them smaller pieces that's still going to be consistent size. There's multiple ways. And that is how you cut bell peppers.